Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at natural gas on the daily and weekly time frame, and this chart shows us closing below the 100-day moving average of 2032. But there's some debate as to when the candlestick closes. This is at the end of the day, the trading day, which is at 4 p.m. Eastern, but natural gas still trading, so is the day really closed? So we're not going to stand by a firm definition here of losing this support just yet. What is important is the low of today at 2024. We bounced off that level twice, so it was a little double bottom. Bulls are trying to rally off of that level and see a move to the upside. We have bounced off the low $2 support multiple times, giving nice gains up towards 218, and we can see this was previously resistance, now acting as support. So this is what I call a bottom fishing play. I've got an educational video for members describing this strategy, and what it is making an entry on key support, and your stop loss level is very clear. In this instant, if you wanted a tight stop, you would put it below the 2024 double bottom, or if you wanted to give it some more wiggle room, you would put it if $2 psychological support breaks, and we've got the 50-day moving average now above that $2 level helping out as support. So with a bottom fishing play, you have a high likelihood of getting stopped out because you're right at that support level and your stop loss is fairly tight, but your risk to reward is in the favor of reward because the risk is so small. The stop loss level is clear, and if it breaks, minimal stop, and the reward is you get in at the bottom and see a nice move to the upside. So natural gas on the weekly time frame, we've got the key 10-week moving average support being tested of 203. Middle Bollinger Band support is 202, so you can see the daily and weekly chart have lots of moving average support here, which is why I like it as a bottom fishing play. So if we can continue to hold these Middle Bollinger Band and 10-week moving averages, we'll be looking up towards 218 resistance, and that will be a nice move for a quick gain on a bounce. So very clear support being tested, and the same thing, if we get a break and we lose $2 psychological support, that's your bearish entry signal right there. We have seen 3 red days in a row, so ideally you would want to get it after a little bit of cool off and seeing a little bit of upside movement, but if we do get a loss of $2 support, that's a bearish entry, and we would be looking down at 1885 as the next clear level of support. So we'll check back in on natural gas. Things are certainly getting interesting as we are at this key support. I appreciate you watching. We will talk soon. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.